Say hello to Upbase, the all-in-one project management tool for individuals and small teams. Let's start with the daily planner. You can schedule your tasks on your calendar. Use the Pomodoro timer to stay focused. Jot down your ideas using the daily notes or notepad. With the Google Calendar integration, you can see all your events inside Upbase. Besides the daily planner, you also have a weekly planner, weekly calendar, and monthly calendar. Next, use the chat feature for easy group messaging and one-on-one conversations. In each project, you'll find multiple tools for managing your work. Stay organized and on track with tasks. Upbase allows you to break down projects into sections, tasks, and subtasks for efficient project tracking. Create and share notes, wikis, and knowledge bases with docs. Embed Google Docs in Upbase for quick access. Collaborate on shared files directly in Upbase using the Files feature. Keep important project-related links stored and shared in the Links module. Stay up to date on project schedules with the calendar. Keep conversations organized with messages. Finally, connect instantly with your team through the chat channel. You can tailor your project features to your needs, giving you the necessary tools without clutter. Upbase, one place for all your work.